I'll be showing you how to service or a general service to NS200. This is my garage. I'm Samir Rahman from Bangalore. Basically, I do modification services, bike, cars. You can contact me through Instagram. I'll leave the link below. Watch this full video. I have made it step by step. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be giving you some tips while servicing. So let's start now. To drain engine oil, you'll have to open this belly pan first. With the help of star screwdriver, open this two screw and open the other side as well. This side you open because you will have to replace oil filter, and the other side to drain engine oil. Open these two bolts with the help of 8 size T. Do not start this work if the engine is heat. If it's heat, leave it for 5-10 minutes and then start. And keep the belongings safe. Clean it inside before you replace new oil filter, and follow these steps to avoid mistakes. This should be replaced before replacing new oil. To drain engine oil, you'll have to open this with 18 size ring spanner or this bit. Do it carefully so that it shouldn't get slipped. And make sure the engine is not heat. After you open this, you will find a plastic piece. You have to pull it out. Once the engine oil is drained, you'll have to put it back. Clean and put it back. Clean it well before you install it. Clean work. Make sure you don't over tight it. You will have to open this to install new engine oil. I use Motul 5100. Easily you can run for 4000 to 5000 kilometers. With oil additive. As the engine oil capacity is 1200 liters, you will have to put 1200 liters. Please make sure. I use this oil treatment for better performance and smooth running. This helps you keep your engine life more. Finally, the engine oil is changed now. Now the second thing. Open this tank bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 10 tank bolts. The 2 are below the seat. Open this seat. The reason for opening tank is to replace air filter. You'll have to open the side shields too. There are two bolts to open that. Open it with the help of star screwdriver. Once you open this, keep the belongings safe and remember where it belongs to. It's better for you to take a photo so that you can remember. Now these are the two bolts which I told you below the tank. You can comment me below if you want any other bike services too. Usually you replace air filter for every 2 services. For each 8000 kilometer or 10,000 kilometer you'll have to replace air filter. With the help of 8 size T, you'll have to open this air filter box. There are 4 bolts to open air filter. Open up this air filter box and inside you'll find air filter. It is not necessary to replace it for each service. This air filter I'll have to replace it because it's been 2 services replacing it. Fix it back. Do not forget to reconnect the pipe and this socket. So this is just the general service. I'll be coming with another videos for replacing brake pads and replacing chain sprocket and spark plugs, etc. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. And thanks for watching.